Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Samanda Official, and this video is for those that haven't checked or activated their checkpoint exam on the Cisco Networking Academy. But to access this, you have to check your email and activate your invitation, or click on the invitation link that was received in your email. May already have an account. If you don't have an account, either you sign up. If you already have an account, you log in. When you log into your account, as you see, I already have an account. But to access this, you have to use the link that you got from your email via the invitation. But there are some of you that haven't yet activated the checkpoint examination or checkpoint exam is not yet activated. But there are a few things you can do to activate it, because there's a lot of things you have to read, or some few assignments you have to first do. As you see. But even if you don't go through all of them, the website automatically ticks the page that you scroll through or read through. And as you see up there, every page that you go through, the percentage increases. So at least on those 3 modules, at least you finish one, then you do a partial of the 2, because there are 3 modules. At least pick one that you will finish, then on that 2 do halfway, then it will automatically activate the checkpoint examination or checkpoint exam. You attempt, but to speed up the process, you can attempt the quizzes they put. If you already know the topic, the quizzes add more percentage on the modules. As you see down there, if you skip all that and go directly to the checkpoint exam, it won't be activated. You won't see anything, or it will be blank. You see, every page that you scroll through, the website automatically ticks it and shows that you have read, and the percentage of that particular module will increase. Yeah, this video is for those that haven't activated their checkpoint exam. As you see, my checkpoint exam was already activated. It's on 100% because I did the first module, second module, and the third module. But I finished the first module, but then did partial of the second and third module, as you see. Then if you do all that, the module will be activated. As you see, it's activated. Then you click on it. Yeah, and there are 33 questions that you have to answer. And to activate it fully, you have to get above 75%. Above 75%. They ask you questions based on the first module, second module, and the third module. But to activate that checkpoint exam, you have to first at least attempt on the 3 modules. At least one of them should be almost complete, or like at either 80% or 100%. Then the rest you can go up to like 40 or 30%. Then it would automatically open. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Drop a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.